guys, it's me here. I'm here with
Legend 0114.
and today we are going to be playing Zombie Rush. And also, sorry if I've been breaking promises on returning to this day and that day, but unfortunately I haven't because due to um once again school and unmotivation. Like I do not have a lot of motivation because I just normally get bored. I don't know what to do. So yeah, anyways, um after a lot of weeks of inactivity, I'm finally back. And yes, and yes, the future of my channel will change in the summer once again because once school is nearly over, if not over, then I'll be uploading videos daily until school starts, or if it nearly starts. Oh my god, the zombies glitch. Wow. As soon as I see a zombie glitch, I just see two other zombies just gang up on me. Luckily,
Can I ask a question? Is Danganronpa gonna return?
I don't know. It's currently it's currently on in an indefinite hiatus right now.
Yeah.
To determine if it's actually gonna come back. It's unlikely if it's gonna come. It's unlikely that it's gonna return. Unfortunately.
That was your most popular series.
Yeah. But then unfortunately my old iPad just is very slow and it's broken.
The most popular video has almost 2,000 views.
Yeah. I'm not gonna lie here, but Danganronpa is very popular because basically it's whenever I uploaded no matter what episode, important or not, significant or not, still gets a lot of views. My most viewed video has it's a Danganronpa video that has 1,000. That's 1,000 views, and I was surprised on how many views it has.
Whatever happened to Gacha Rampa?
Gacha Rampa got canceled because no other person would be signing up for it.
A lot of people have left the Gacha community.
Yeah, and so I had to leave the Gacha. I had to leave the community because one, actually it's for a purpose, and I don't care if it's if Gacha is gonna be um remade, redone or not. I'm still not gonna be in it because I hate Gacha so much. I regret all those Gacha videos I made. Like not trying to offend anyone from from anyone who likes Gacha. It's just my opinion. So
You ever make a
vlog, I'm not sure about that. But this is supposed to be a gaming, a gaming channel. And Escape the Night. Anyways, Escape the Night season 4. I'm not sure when it's gonna come out. Cause oh shoot. It's I'm not sure when it's gonna come out because many reasons have been making me like quit it. I actually like not actually like not quit, like make me like very unmotivated. And cause like I wasn't as motivated as like last time when like I just like made once I did like Escape the Night season 2. um it's likely like like probably the best Escape the Night I made so far, like like it's not like final. And also guys, I have like just an announcement. It's like whenever I like make Escape the Night season 4 in the future, that will be the last series of Escape the Night for me, and then after that there will be no more Roblox Escape the Night after season 4.
Will there ever be like, since Danganronpa or Escape the Night and Campus Survival have ended, will there be like a new series coming, like a brand new one?
Yes. Cause like there will be a prequel of Campus Survival coming soon. Like possibly maybe Spring Break. Yeah. Cause like also guys, I might upload in like I might be motivated in like Spring Break, cause like I get like a week off from school. Unfortunately though, I have like some sort of like exam that's coming up in like maybe like Monday, I think. Monday or Wednesday, I think. It's like some sort of SOL. I don't I don't like it. I don't like SOLs that much. Cause pardon me. This is not hard at all. Do you have any other questions?
If there is like a new series besides the Campus Survival sequel, like a brand new,
No, like a prequel.
will there be I mean like a brand new series, like one that not a prequel or a sequel, but like a brand new series?
Maybe. I'm gonna go in first person very quick. Oh, I don't have a lot of health left. I only have like 26 left. Also, Jay, I have like a question for you. Which of my series did you think was the best one?
Series?
Be honest. Like,
My favorite, well, for Escape the Night, I didn't, season 2 was probably a good season. I guess, I like season 2 just a little bit better than season 1 because there was more editing. Since season 1 was kind of your first,
I know.
not everything was like done. But the end of season 2,
I don't think I did a good job on season 1. I'm gonna
well,
be
it was
honest
just
here,
your first.
cause like like even though that's like my first series, it wasn't like very great. And
It was good for your, pretty good for your, like, first series. The only thing is, I think you got a copyright if you're putting Monster Mash.
no, it was a remix.
Oh,
So and remixes you can't get copyrighted from that.
and yeah.
I don't like I don't like how like I use like same song like twice in a row. I hated that. Like it was like I cringed.
Some of the deaths were unique, but in season 2, like at the end, like when everyone thought you died, then you're on the floor laying down and then your eyes open.
Yeah, that was a plot twist. I'm like it's like basically it's supposed to be like a plot twist where like um I actually didn't die from that like 2 gunshots in the chest and the head. What?
Um, But my favorite series that he did is probably honestly gonna be Danganronpa. It's the most popular one. You got a lot of views.
Cause like when I made Danganronpa, it had like a lot of like a lot of views. Like it's very popular. Cause like
Well, just
that was not fair at all. Um, I had no idea. How I got inspired to do like campus survival.
I think it was between that series and there was like another one. It was like on it was Campus Survival and people had to choose between two. I remember. I just can't remember the other choice. It was like some. It was like survival, kind of similar to Campus Survival, but I don't know what it was. It was something similar.
Oh my god, there's so many zombies ganging up on me. Lost a lot of health.
Might die real quick. Computer's about it.
Charge it.
Oh.
What else? I don't know what's gonna be my personally. Personally, besides the fact that like Jay, Jay thought that like season 2 of Escape the Night was better. I actually have to agree with that. So like basically I kind of like I somewhat rushed season 1. Cause like it went by like a little fast, and I didn't like it.
One thing I think you should do more is I like intro contests and art contests. Those are always cool.
All right, on. Sorry for that. I've been coughing a lot lately.
I think this video has been nothing but me and you coughing.
Yeah, and like talking about stuff.
I've been coughing a lot this past few weeks as
Oh yeah. And anyways, back where I was. It's like
well.
unlike season 1, season 2 I did not rush because like I did like basically uploaded it every Friday, which I liked. You know what?
Was there a season 3? Or no, that's still season 1.
No, like season 2. I uploaded each episode every Friday. So that was good, bruh. I just got ganged up.
A quick question. Oh, for Winter for Summer 2020, will you collab with more fans?
The answer is yes. Like, like I actually need to start collabing more, due due to like some like random videos I made. Oh no. Oops. That was disgusting. I accidentally burped and it was disgusting. Anyways, bruh, why? I got harassed again by these zombies. Nice. Also, oh yeah, and also guys, here's an apology. So like, sorry if I like, sorry if I'm like, if